This dictation material has been obtained from official para 36. The chairman, vice chairman, members, director general, officers, servants, experts, and consultants of the authority or the managing director of an agency shall, when acting or purporting to act in pursuance of any of the provisions of this act, be deemed to be public servants within the meaning of section 21 of the Pakistan Penal Code. Full stop. In the event of any conflict or inconsistency between the provisions of this act and the provisions of any other law, the provisions of this act shall, to the extent of such conflict or inconsistency, prevail particularly in matters of master plan, land use and housing functions. Full stop. On the establishment of the authority under this act, the Town Improvement Act 1922 shall cease to apply. The area and all schemes, projects or works started under the said act but not completed shall be taken over by the authority and executed under the provision of this act. Full stop. Notwithstanding the repeal of the Lahore Water and Sewerage Authority Act 1975 and fact of the Town Improvement Act 1922 ceasing to apply to the area, all rules, regulations and orders made, notification issued, land acquired, schemes prepared or executed, rates and fees imposed, penalties. Full stop. Unseen. The Foreign Office on Saturday rejected as speculative the reports that India External Affairs Minister in her introductory meeting with the Pakistani ambassador to Delhi and called for Islamabad to review its opposition in convicted Indian spy case. Full stop. During this interaction, no specific case came under discussion. Full stop. Therefore, the reports appearing in the Indian media are speculative. The Foreign Office said in response to reports about the meeting held earlier this week. Full stop. Pakistan's High Commissioner to India assumed the charge of his assignment last month. Full stop. He expressing serious concern over the disappearance of those who were supporting the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz view point on social media. The former premier said, full stop, it is an attack on freedom of speech, full stop. Everybody in the country has a right to express his opinion or disagree with others by remaining, full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore.